What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix no signal issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the signal issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then swipe down to open quick settings panel, and then tap on this flight mode icon to turn on and off airplane mode. So do it 2 to 3 times, and after that it will refresh the signal settings, and after that the no signal issue or low signal issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after this, then try reinserting the SIM card. So take out the SIM card and clean it with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the SIM card, put it back in your phone. So after cleaning the SIM, the signal issue will be fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now here tap on reset network settings, and then again tap on this reset network settings to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting the network settings, the signal issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the no signal issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.